Alright, back with print on demand niche research of the day here on Merch Dominator. Affiliate link in the description. So here's the best sellers right now. As you can see, it's mostly Trump stuff still, but you got some Thanksgiving and Christmas stuff coming in. Then you got evergreen designs that can sell year round coming back into the top of the bestseller leaderboards. So good to go after those, as well as the trending niches, because the trending niches can just gonna die off and just be a flash in the pan, whereas the evergreens can sell, year round for years to come. So definitely good to go after both. These are trademarked, obviously. You shouldn't go after SpongeBob and stuff. It's supposed to be filtering these out, but I think it's glitched out. Let's see what's selling well. That's just been uploaded in the last couple days. I like this. Just I can recreate that with Grok AI. Actually, I just did a minute ago, but I realized my mic was muted, so I just wrote up this prompt based on that design I saw. And let's go back. So here I am on Kiddle. Also have an affiliate link for that. Actually, you can use for free, but you're not supposed to use it to sell stuff unless you have the paid plan, which is like $15 a month. But you can get free 30 days trial with the code in the description as well. I'll put it in there. Alright, so you gotta remove the background. And it looks pretty good. It looks like I'm black. Yeah, that's good. That's all you have to do. It's pretty quick. I won't go through the whole process of uploading, but if you follow me on Substack, I put a free daily newsletter out with 2 niche alerts, one for a trending new niche and then one that's evergreen, and then paid subscribers get a free design file for each of the niches that you can sell on any print on demand product online, Amazon Merch on Demand or Etsy or your own Fourth Wall or Shopify store. I'll be putting out videos on how to get started doing that too, but for now, let's see. I'd say this is not quite evergreen, but people would probably wear and buy that year round somewhat, so maybe that'll be the evergreen niche of the day. And then for the trend, maybe a Trump thing. Maybe this one. Yeah, let's see how I can write a prompt to recreate that design. Let's say make a hyper. I'm just typing it out here so I can be looking at the graphic at the same time. Donald Trump wearing a red suit and necktie, a Santa hat. It would be easier to just put the text in Kiddle rather than because if you try to have Grok make a design with too much text in it, it usually has a typo or just doesn't look good. So see what Grok comes up with for this. Pretty good. Not doesn't seem to be in the jolliest mood, but save it anyway. Just have it retry. Might make him smile. Yeah, that's better. That's pretty good. Just gonna add smiling. Smiling. I'm smiling too hard. It doesn't really look that much like him. Just have it retry one more, and then I'll just change up the prompt a little bit. Yeah, I don't know if he ever smiles that much. that bigly. Let's say happy looking. It doesn't really look like him either. Try again, Grok. It's even worse. Okay. Let's just say, let's get rid of hyper realistic. That's pretty good. Kind of like that. What about smirking? Excuse me. That's better. That's better. Alright, let's go with that one. Alright, so just show you a little Kittl design tutorial here real quick. Oh wait, I gotta upscale the design. Because the Grok images are only like 1,000 pixels by something. And you want to have it higher quality so it looks crisp and good on a t-shirt or whatever you want to sell it on. Right, uploading it to Kittl. And then let me pull that over here so I can be looking at the graphic to like recreate it. Okay. Also that flag pin is kind of messed up, so let me cover that up. Come on, Kittl, give me just a regular looking flag. That one's too wide looking. Know why it does this, like half the time I can find it real quick and then the other half not. Okay, guess that'll work. It's so wide. I don't think I'll upload this anyway, it's just as like a example tutorial for you guys. Alright, Control G groups that together so now it'll move around. And let's put in the text of... Oh. Whoops. Alright. Change the color to white, because the best-selling color t-shirt on Amazon merch is black, so you want to probably go for that. But then again, to stand out from the competition, you could go with a black text for a white t-shirt, or a, you know, a red or green text for the holiday theme. Let's see. What font? Don't want to take too long. I'll just go with this one. Then let's change up the font for that third line. The tidy up button so it's like evenly spaced, and then make it bigger so you take up the whole design area so it's more visible to people Scrolling through the search results. Centering it. Actually, yeah, that's pretty good. So then you would just go to download, hit the remove background, which I think is only for, you have to have a paid plan to do that. But then you download it and go to upload it to, for example, Printify. Just hit upload. And then you would add it. And you go through and change the pricing and all that. Let's see. So, I guess that's good. Let's see what else there is here, if anything else stands out. Buffet inspector, that's a good one. Could just say, actually, I can have Grok recreate that and try to have it do the text as well. Start writing out the prompt. See if it does it. You can also download, that's pretty good. You can also download like the image of the shirt from Amazon and then go to Grok. I think you have to start a new like conversation with it for some reason. Hopefully they get rid of this soon, but you can go to this media, upload the image of the shirt and say, write a prompt to have you recreate this design from the t-shirt. And then, again, you'll have to start a new conversation to just take what it gives you. Take that part of it, just the relevant parts, and then go back. Start another conversation, just paste that in and see what it comes up with. So that's pretty good too. It's not the best because it's kind of covering up the E, but that's fine. People could still read it, but see, it's kind of weird how the C, it's kind of why I like to just do the text myself most of the time in Kittl. Doesn't take that long. Go back to, I think I like that other design that it made better. But anyway, that's about it. Follow on Substack for free. I'll put that in the description as well. It's censoredshop.substack.com. And I'll see you tomorrow.